Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your home fitness equipment with Bowflex, beginner guide step by step clearly. To effectively scale your home fitness equipment with Bowflex, begin by assessing your current fitness level. Identify the type of workouts you enjoy and your fitness goals. Familiarize yourself with the different Bowflex equipment options available, such as the Bowflex Select Tech dumbbells and the Bowflex Max Trainer. Start with Bowflex Select Tech dumbbells for adjustable weight options. Set them to a weight that feels manageable yet challenging for your exercises. Incorporate fundamental movements like squats, lunges, and presses to build a strong foundation. Gradually increase the weight as you gain strength and confidence in your technique. Next, consider using the Bowflex Max Trainer for your cardio workouts. Begin with shorter sessions at a low resistance level to adapt your body. Slowly increase both the duration and intensity of your workouts to enhance cardiovascular fitness. Utilize Bowflex workout programs or mobile app for structured routines tailored to your goals. Incorporate both strength and cardio sessions for a balanced fitness approach. Evaluate your progress regularly to stay motivated and adjust your routine as needed. Take recovery seriously, allow your muscles time to heal and grow stronger. Stay consistent with your workouts to solidify your new habits. Make adjustments based on how your body responds to the training. Listen to your body and respect your limits to prevent injury. By following these steps, you can effectively scale your home fitness equipment with Bowflex to meet your evolving fitness needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.